Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drains problem in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery. After clicking on battery, then scroll down and here you can check your battery draining apps and click on an app, and then here you can force stop your more battery draining app. After do that, go back and click search here RAM expansions. Now click on it. Now turn off your RAM expansions. After turning off this button, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. It means factory data reset. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, apps, any data. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.